Hi, and welcome to my channel. VXI is hiring, and I'm going to tell you about the 3 remote positions that they are looking to fill. So let's get into it. The first position we're looking at is Technical Service Advisor. It's remote and you can be located anywhere in the United States. So let's look at the job description. If you have a unique passion for problem solving, this role is for you. They're looking for someone to join the team as a technical support advisor. You'll be the friendly voice of our clients and support their customers with smartphones, tablets, and computers. As a technical support advisor, you'll listen to the caller and use your technical expertise and passion for outstanding customer service to answer questions about products and services or troubleshoot technical issues to find solutions. Sort of like a help desk person. What you'll be doing: work in a highly structured environment with strict adherence to your assigned full-time schedule, taking high volume inbound calls from customers. You'll do customer support, deliver exceptional customer services by actively listening to customers' concerns, questions, and issues related to their smartphones. Respond promptly and professionally to provide technical solutions and assistance. You'll be doing technical troubleshooting, issue resolution, product knowledge, call documentation, and escalation to management as needed. You'll also be educating the customer. Now, the operating hours for this position is 7 a.m. to 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. You must be available to work anytime during center operating hours, including weekends and holidays. Training: 3 weeks of in-class paid training and 2 weeks on the phone paid training, all completed from the comfort of your home. That's 5 weeks of training. The schedule for training is Tuesday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. You must be available to attend 100% of your training. No time can be missed. What you bring: a high school diploma or equivalent education, previous experience in a customer support or technical support role, preferably in a call center environment, is desirable. There's no minimum requirements for this position. Solid technical knowledge, excellent verbal communication and active listening skills, patience, empathy, strong problem solving abilities, ability to multitask, flexible work shifts, successful completion of pre employment assessment and background check, able to meet the minimum typing speed of 40 words per minute while talking to customers. The pay for this position is $17.31 per hour. So basically, there are no minimum requirements for this position. And I would apply if you're interested, even if you meet some of the criteria, because they are training you for 5 weeks. So you can't beat that. The second position we're looking at is for customer care support agent. It's work at home and you must live in the United States. This is a remote position that can be performed in the following states. There is a list of the states. I will not read them to you, but I will pause so you can. Customer service specialist. Do you consistently bring a positive attitude and contagious energy to all interactions with customers and team members? Are you passionate about delivering exceptional service and exceeding customer expectations? If so, we have an exciting opportunity for you. We're looking for a team member who shares our commitment to going above and beyond the standard customer service to leave a lasting positive impression on our customers. The client. The client is the nation's leading technology company that designs and manufactures consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. Their products are known for their sleek and modern design using friendly interfaces and high quality. The company has a strong brand and a loyal customer base and is recognized globally as a leader in technology. Sounds like Apple or Samsung. What you'll do as a customer service specialist: your primary responsibility will be to provide exceptional phone support to our customers. You will be required to handle a variety of interactions, including order status inquiries, changes to orders placed online, and addressing shipping or payment issues. Our top performance specialists are knowledgeable about our policies and procedures and are skilled at effectively communicating with customers to provide appropriate recommendations based on their needs. In this role, it's essential to create a memorable and unique customer experience. You will need to stay updated with processes, changes, product features, and events that may impact customers by utilizing multiple sources of information. Let's get down to the requirements. You must have a high school diploma or GED, 2 to 3 years of experience in sales, customer service, or support, with the majority of the experience in a customer facing role, strong written and verbal communication skills, passionate about providing exceptional customer service, active listening, skilled at engaging customers, maintains professionalism, approachable, proven track record of achieving constant results, ability to multitask, able to work independently, patient and empathetic, willing to be able to appear on live video with coworkers, typing speed of at least 35 words per minute with 95% accuracy, able and willing to work an 8-hour shift 5 days a week, including holidays, and with flexible during peak demand periods. The pay for this role is $17.31 an hour. Full-time 40-hour work schedule, 100% paid training. Optional medical, dental, vision, life insurance. So they have benefits. A referral program where you'll earn $20 on every check for each person you refer and they're hired. Discounted phone plan through T-Mobile, opportunities to advance, and personal benefits of 100% working from home. Now, here are the internet requirements, and that's pretty much it for that position. And the third position we're looking at is customer care representative, which is also work from home. Here are the states that you can work from. Our clients want to change healthcare to make it more affordable, more personalized, and more focused on helping the whole person to achieve better health outcomes. And that's only the beginning. Read to learn more about working with us. Transform healthcare to contribute to our clients' industry-leading organization as a patient care advocate. So, patient care advocates are dedicated team members who excel at customer service, helping elevate our clients' patient care to new heights. In this crucial role, you're on the front lines with patients, responding to phone inquiries and addressing each with care, detail, and most importantly, empathy. Here's a little more about how you'll make a difference. You'll help patients understand their pharmacy benefits, help keep track of patient interactions, ensure patients are equipped with the best advice. And you can read under here to see how you will do that. Which should you have a high school diploma and or GED, college degree or junior college degree with a healthcare focus, preferred, not required. 1 year of relevant customer care experience. Customer care experience, as long as you were in the role customer facing, that could be any position, any fast food, anything. Intermediate to advanced PC knowledge, ability to navigate multiple screens and systems, translation, be able to multitask. Excellent communication skills, verbal and written, flexibility to work specified shifts and extended hours as necessary. Okay, apart. This is what will set you apart from other people if you have this. There is no salary on this position, but I guess it's safe to assume that this one may be $17 as well.